Hey, good morning guys and welcome to the next way trading. My name is Lester. Today I just start this video and the ending part of this video. Yes, I just ended my live trading session. I'm recording all the live trading session, but I'm gonna share with you the ending results that I have. And I lost the last trade that I take it. So for that reason, I decided to stop in my trading session today. Remember, I just I'm sharing my trades with all of you. So I'm doing copy trading. If you want to copy my trades, you need to use the link below this video, register and deposit, and I'm gonna share with you my trades. So basically, it's not just share my trades and I losing money. Let's say you're gonna share your trades with that shit, with that results. No, we lost this trade, and I understand you think it's a shitty day for Lester, but this is my today results with my copy trading, and for those are really right now follow me my trades. This is my results. I lost two trades, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades in the morning, and I lost 2 trades today. But how this is possible? How I can generate these profits trading just almost 1 hour or less than 1 hour? Start 30 minutes of trading. This is a pretty good results for me. So I think this is a pretty good results for those who are following me right now. This is copy trading. But let's go to explain how this works. I'm gonna leave you with this video and I will back and explain and show you the magic of this, how I made these profits. Welcome to the magic room. This is the magic room for me. This is my real account with IK options, sorry. But here I have this lovely, this beauty. It's gonna help me to make money and generate profits with binary options and pocket option and the IK option and FOREX too, because this is the indicator that I use to generate profits with these binary options. So I using this script, and the script send me signals, and all I had to do is follow the trend. We had a downtrend here. Only gonna take it the down or the put signals, the down signals or lower signals, and trade for 3 minutes. I'm trading for 3 minutes with pocket options, and that'll leave me on profits on my trades. Nice, right? Lovely. Nice, Lister. So how I know if it is a downtrend or uptrend? Well, I using the 200 moving average. I using the 200 moving average, and I using the next wave signals now, or the indicator now, right? Next wave, I know. So with this beauty, I start to generate a lot of money in the last months. Yes, a lot of money in the last months, and I love it. Trust me, guys, I love it. And I think about it, how I can share this. And this is sometimes a pain in the ass, because when the moment we share a script or indicator, I understand someone of you is sometimes difficult to stay tuned or understand how it works. Maybe don't have too much experience. So I'm happy to announce I'm gonna share with you a social trading room, but I'm gonna have the signals trading room. Yes, we are gonna have a signals trading room with me. So on the next month, I think it's gonna be ready to be part to my signals trading room and trade with me. Yes, having these results is gonna be lovely. You can have these live trading sessions with me, and you can have another trading sessions. Follow this beauty only follow this beauty. I think it's something amazing. I think it's something beautiful and something we can use and something we can trade. Nice and lovely. This is the way that I like it generate profits, and I'm gonna share with all of you my results and my profits too. So stay tuned to my channel, because I'm gonna share with you in the future how you can generate profits. Follow my signals in my trading signals room, and if you want to start today with copy my social trading too, you need to using the links below this video. Register and deposit, and send to my team your information. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, smash this video, and see you in the next wave.